Welcome to our islands. We have been waiting your arrival for weeks. This first island is the only one still accessible through the sea. Few months ago, our islands have been invaded by a weird-looking monster. Since then, our lives turned upside down. Some villagers claim to have seen multiple monsters with different weird shapes. No one really knows the truth. From where did they come or what do they want? All we know is that they will attack anyone they find in their path. They seem to want to take over our entire islands. They have sabotaged and blocked the bridge to the second island. We have lost access to the island and contact with the villagers. Many villagers have decided to give up and quit this island. But the few that still live here are decided to fight back. Are you ready to fight? Come on, follow me. I am going to show you a masterpiece that we are going to definitely need in our quest to free the islands. Inside this building, we have managed to restore an old train and installed a machine gun in its back. The train will be an indispensable tool to attack the monsters. I forgot the keys in my little house in the left side of this building. Can you please go grab it to me? You need to grab me the keys from the house there. I'm waiting for you. Thanks for grabbing the keys. Come on, let's go inside. Let's get inside the train and go visit my friend David. David is the mastermind behind the R-65 rocket launcher. It is a powerful weapon that should be added to this train arsenal and used against enemies. This train will also need major upgrades to its speed and damage resistance. You should gather as much metal plates as you could to improve the train performance. Here is a map. You can check it out to see David Howe's position and drive this train there. Let's go. This is David, our genius engineer who has been working on this rocket launcher since the monster's invasion of our islands.
I am almost done building up this piece of art, but I still need more metal plates to make the final touches. I will give you a mission to test out your braveness. Go to our storage house in the north of the island. You will find there a box full of metal plates. Grab it to me and I will finish this weapon. The storage house door is locked. You will need to destroy it. Use the train machine gun weapon to destroy the door. Jack and I will wait for your return here. Good luck.